Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block messages on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then tap right here at that DMs icon to open up your DMs, and then let's say I want to just mute notifications from some specific user. In that case, if you got the same problem, if someone keep bothering you with their notifications, you can just swipe to the left side at that conversation to show up that options, and then you can just hit add mute, and now you are able to select between three different options: mute messages, mute calls, and mute chat activity. I'm just gonna select mute chat activity, and from now I will not get any notifications about chat activity in that particular conversation. In any time you can swipe left at that conversation, hit mute again, and also you can mute messages, mute calls, and if you wish you can unmute chat activity. Also, if you don't want to get any messages from a particular user, you can just block their profile. Let me open up the conversation. Now I can hit add view profile to open up that user's profile, and all you have to do in order to block messages from that particular user is just hit right here at three dots icon and then select block. Now you can select block that user and new accounts they may create, or just block that user. After that, you can hit add block. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.